Say hi, Kathy.
Phone.
Thank you for taking us out to eat.
Little beach.
You say thank you, Kathy.
Little Kathy.
Talk to her on the phone. Say hi, Isabel. You say hi, Kathy.
Hi, Daddy.
You have to hold the phone to your ear, honey, like this. You say hi, Kathy.
Hi, Daddy. Kathy.
Did we go eat with Kathy?
Kathy. Phone.
Did you ride in Kathy's car? Ride with Yvonne in Kathy's car? We went to have lunch. Lunch
What?
with Kathy. Say hi, Kathy. Thank you. Talk to her on the phone.